Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to use a simple form in Microsoft Excel to fill the employee database. Now you can use this form to fill the records in any kind of database, but for this example I'm going to create a simple employee database table. So let me start with the label of the database. So I want the name of the employee, I want the age, suppose country, and their salary. Now before you use the form in Excel, you need to bring the form command, which is not available at the moment in any of these toolbar. So what I will do, I will click on this quick access toolbar, then I will go to more commands, then I will go to quick access toolbar, I will go to this option command not in the ribbon, and then I will go down here and I have to look for the option form. This is the form, add, and then OK. So I have included this form button in the quick access toolbar. Now the other thing what I can do here is I can make a table out of this database. So if I want to make a table, automatically I will select it, go to insert, and then select the option table, and this is the range for the table. So I will select this option at first. My table has headers, so that these headers will appear in my table, and then OK. So a table has been created. Now if I want to fill in this employee database by using the form, I will at first select this label, go to this option form. Now I can enter the details. For example, John, 35, suppose country is Canada, salary 6,000, and then select new. So I have added a new employee record to the database. So in that way you can go on adding. So age, suppose 30, salary suppose 6,500, new. So in this way you can add as much record as you can. So after you finish adding record, you can close this form. Now suppose if you want to again use the form, then what you do, again select this label, go to form, and then you can go on adding. So this is one use of form, and that is you can add record in the database with the help of the form. Now suppose if your form has many headings and it crosses this row, it crosses this column and goes to other column, then whenever you have to check the details, you have to always scroll this Excel sheet to the left or to the right. But if you use a form, then in that case you can always find a record by the help of the form. For example, what I will do, I will select this label, go to form, I can go to criteria. Now suppose if I want to find persons whose name starts with J, what I can do, I can click on this name field, put asterisk and J, and then select find next. So you can see John. So if I have more, then I can go on clicking this button find next, and it will show me all the names that starts with J. But suppose if you want to find a particular name, then click on the form, and suppose if I want to find Renato, I will just type here Renato and then select find next. So it will show me the record for this employee Renato. Also you have the option to delete any record. Suppose if I want to delete this record, I can select this option delete, OK, and you can see the record is deleted. So if I want to add more, I can just go on adding, new. So in this way you are able to add record. Similarly, if I want to use more criterias to search record in a database by using the form, so let me go ahead and select this database form criteria. So if I want to find the employees whose age is more than 30, then I can click on this one, greater than 30, and then find next. I can go on clicking and this will show me all the employees whose age is more than 30. Similarly, if I go to criteria and if I want to find the employees who are from USA, I can type the country name, find next, so it will show me. Also, if I want to find the persons or the employees whose salary is more than 6,000, I can find it and then find next. Now suppose if you have thousands of employees and if you want to find out a certain employee and want to delete the record, then what you can do, you can again select the label of the database, go to form here, go to criteria, and suppose if you want to find a employee named Bob, type the name and find next. So this will give you the database of the employee, and if you want to delete, select delete and then OK. So in this way you can use the form in Excel to fill the datas. Also you can use the form to find out the record of a certain employee. If you have thousands of them, you don't need to scroll this horizontal bar to the right to find out all the details. You can just use a form and you can see all the details here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.